Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to change your wallpaper on iOS. First, what you need to do is go to your settings, which should be on your home screen, but if you can't find it here, all you need to do is go all the way to the right, then click on App Library, then write Settings, open them, then just scroll down and click on Wallpaper. Here you can add your new wallpaper. Let's add it, and now you can choose your own photo or use the pre-installed iOS ones. Let's say Unity Riff, and that's it. I hope I helped you. It would be really great if you subscribe to our channel. And thanks you for watching, and bye.